In many situations, more than one forces act on a body at the same time. All these forces collectively produce the same effect in the body as if a single force is acting on the body. Such a single force is called the resultant force. We represent the concept of resultant force by considering the following situations. When forces are applied on an object in the same direction, then the net force is the addition of magnitude of both the forces. For example, when two persons push the box in the same direction with the magnitude of forces of each 5 Newton, then the resultant force will be equal to the sum of the two forces. Resultant force is equal to 5 Newton plus 5 Newton equal to 10 Newton in the direction of applied force. When two forces are applied over an object in the opposite directions, the resultant force is the difference of magnitude of two forces. For example, when two persons push the box in the opposite direction, if one person is applied a force 6 Newton in one direction and another is applying a force 8 Newton in opposite direction, then the resultant force is equal to 8 Newton minus 6 Newton is equal to 2 Newton in the direction of higher magnitude. When two persons push the box in the opposite directions with the magnitude of forces of each 8 Newton, the resultant force will be 8 Newton minus 8 Newton is equal to 0. Box will not move. We conclude that when two equal forces act on an object in the opposite directions, the resultant force becomes 0 and the object does not move. Such forces are called balanced forces. Let us discuss about unbalanced force. Have you ever seen a game of tug of war? In this game, two teams pull the rope in opposite directions. Members of both the teams try to pull the rope in their own direction. Sometimes the rope simply does not move. This is when both the teams pull the rope in their own direction with equal force. The team that pulls harder, that is, applies the large force, finally wins the game. Such forces are called unbalanced forces. That's all for today. Thank you.